Hi, and welcome to Michelle Creations. We are making the pencil holder again today. For July 4th, I have colored red, white, and blue resin, and that's what we're going to do. We're making a red, white, and blue pencil holder. I sold the one I had the flag in. I've sold the one that I had my school bus in. So I thought, I need another one now for my desk. So here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and put some alcohol down into my mold to hopefully keep it from getting any bubbles down inside of it. And then we are just going to simply marble this. This will be the first time I have marbled one of these. And I'm going to keep this super simple. And I have my glove on the wrong hand. I'm going to pour with my right hand. And use my left to cut off the resin, and you'll see what I mean. In the red, I have, it's clear resin with red glitter in it. And then in our blue resin, I've taken the Rolio, and this color is Veronate blue, however you want to say that. I'll show it to you right there. And then for our white resin, I just have my HTV Ron. I'm actually running, I'm almost out of that. I've been doing resin for 2 years and I'm finally running out. Okay, we're going to start with the red and just go back and forth and marble this and see how we do. My resin's getting really warm. This is 10 ounces, so I need to get it poured here pretty quick. So we're going to try and make this as quick as possible. And this is why I have a glove on. Red. White. And blue. Sorry, concentrating, aren't I? I'm not even talking. I think I've already said it. I do 10 ounces. Red, white, blue. It holds exactly 10 ounces. Now, since I've added so much stuff to my resin, I probably have a little bit more than 10 ounces, but especially the glitter, I added a gob of glitter. And then we're just going to go back and forth through the whole thing. And the nice thing about this mold is you can actually see it on the outside. It's clear, so you can kind of see what you're getting. So far, it's looking pretty good. And the last thing I want is rings. You know, to have a red ring, a white ring, and a blue ring. That's why we're kind of going back and forth to get a little bit of everything. I'm worried that I'm going to lose my white, but we shall see. I am going to have just a little bit left over, it looks like. I do want to dome it just a smidge. Oh, it is so thick. Here we go. And I just barely have anything left. I've got maybe half an ounce, so I'll find something to put that in, and then we will bring this back to demold. All right, everything is cured, and in the meantime, or with our extras, we got a whole bunch of little turtles, little blue and white, and I got one little red one because I took the red, and then I got a whole bunch of little butterfly. Oh, there's a stray turtle. Oh, he had a little blue dot. I had a couple of them with blue. They had chicken pox or something. And then I got all these little butterflies. And the rest of the red, I poured this absolutely stunning turtle out of the red glitter. And this gorgeous butterfly. These things always turn out so pretty. So, super excited about those. And then this, I'm probably going to end up having to unmold this off camera. I'll be right back because I know this too. I'll try. I don't think I can do this on camera though. Because I always end up having to hold it up against me. Well, maybe it's going to make me a liar today. I must have used my mold enough that it's loosened up. It's going to make a liar out of me being a liar. Alright, be right back. So the hardest part of this mold to get out is this piece right here in between because it goes clear down into the middle of those. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. I don't even need to do a lot of trimming on the bottom. It's pretty clear. Wow. The inside's mostly red, but it is marbled on the sides. Oh my goodness. I have yet to be disappointed. Of course, this is the first marble I've done. I've done the school bus one, and I've done the red, white, and blue with the stars and the American flag in it. And every single one of these that I've made, I have absolutely loved. All three of them. Just gorgeous. So cool. Can't wait to do this one again. All right. I will put this one on Etsy. I need to make one just for me. But this one I will put on Etsy because I think somebody out there is going to really like that. I'll make myself a school bus one to go with what I do. But for July 4th week and weekend, this is a great video. And a great display piece for that. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I appreciate it. I hope you have a safe and fun 4th of July. If you haven't already and you've enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us out a ton. And pop an American flag down in the comments to let us know that you watched it all the way to the end. All right, guys, take care. Happy 4th. Bye-bye.